Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out, releasing the tension you've been carrying. One more deep breath in and a long, gentle breath out. For the next 5 minutes, this moment is just for you. Imagine yourself standing beside a peaceful lake at sunrise. The air is cool and fresh. The water is perfectly still, reflecting the golden morning light. With every breath, your mind becomes quieter. As you exhale, imagine stress leaving your body like a soft mist, disappearing into the sky. Walk slowly along the lakeside. Each step makes you feel lighter. The gentle breeze touches your face. Birds sing softly in the distance. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, soften your face. Release the tension in your neck, arms, chest, back, legs, and feet. Your whole body feels calm and supported. Ahead, you see a warm, glowing lantern at the end of a wooden dock. This light gently absorbs every worry, anxious thought, and burden you've been carrying. Watch your stress dissolve into its warm glow. Your heart feels lighter, your breathing slows, your mind becomes peaceful. Sit at the edge of the dock and look across the calm water. Like the lake, your mind naturally returns to stillness. Thoughts come and go, but peace has always been within you. Silently repeat, I choose peace. I release stress. My mind is calm. My body is relaxed. I am safe. I am enough. Let these words fill your heart with comfort. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Enjoy this peaceful moment. Now, bring your awareness back to your breathing. Notice how calm and relaxed you feel. Remember, stress is temporary, but peace is always within you. Whenever life feels overwhelming, pause, take a deep breath, and return to this peaceful place in your mind. Begin moving your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with Guided Meditation Voyage. If this meditation helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little peace today. Namaste.